you still have your factory wiper blades. As you can see, mine, Mercedes, there. And as you can see on this side, we have factory blades. They have a wear indicator, which mine is yellow, stating it needs changed. But instead of taking it to the dealership, why don't you change them yourself?
Alright, so if your wiper blades wore out, you could either take, your car down to the dealership, and if you get these factory Mercedes blades like I just showed you in the beginning, most dealerships with install is going to charge you about $100 just to install this simple blade. You can actually order the factory replacement blades if you'd like to keep the Mercedes symbol and the little wear indicator that I talked about on them. They're about 53 or so a set. I'll put a link in the description to those if you actually want to keep factory blades. Personally, myself, I'm not going to spend that type of money on factory blades, but you don't want to get extremely cheap blades either, otherwise you're going to be replacing them all the time. Plus, they usually smear and they don't look all that great. Personally, you always want to get a high grade blade. These factory Mercedes blades are actually made by Bosch. So if you pick up a Bosch branded blade, say an AutoZone or something, it's going to be very close to what this OEM blade is going to be. You want to make sure you also pick up the correct blade type. This has it's a little pin hook that holds the blade on, and I'm going to skip out to the car real quick and I'm going to show you how you actually install this blade. And it is very simple. It literally takes seconds, like I'm not even joking. And the dealership, like I said, will always charge you an hour labor regardless how long it takes them to do the job. So something like this, there's absolutely no point in you ever taking your car to the dealership. Just fix it.
Alright, so to start off, you just want to flip the whole blade on up like this. You can just flip this and it'll pull off. So that's what I was talking about. The blade has a little hole and a pin that it fits in. Some aftermarket blades have different attachments here, so make sure you read the instructions for the specific blade that you purchased. But this will just slide back on that hole, and then mine will clip in like that, and then folds back down, and there you go. The new wiper blade is installed on there.
So like I said, that is literally how easy that is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe it helps some of y'all out and save some money from that dealership. Also, I wanted to show you real quick that I bought the Trico Ultra brand wiper blades. These are about 30 bucks a set. They have really good reviews on Amazon. So I'll also put a link to that. Like I said, I'll also do the link for the factory Mercedes blades if that is your preference to keep factory parts. But as always, you have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe. Check out other videos for great Mercedes content. And peace.